Okay, here is a ICP central air conditioning unit. Currently not running. It is a 410, I think, and I think it's from 2003. Pretty sure. Has a Copeland scroll compressor. And I'm not sure if it's been running. Don't think it's been running. But yeah, I really love these units a lot. These are some of my favorite units ever right here. Love these units. This one has 3 blades and has a Emerson fan motor. But yeah, this unit is located in a commercial building in Iowa City I've never looked at before. But I have driven past this unit before. But this is my first time filming it. But yeah, just like a quick video of this unit. Anyways, thanks for watching.